Uncertainty. People do not know. Is now the time to sell your crypto? Welcome to the FreedEm Culture. Here at the FreedEm Culture, I'd like to discuss current events in the financial sector, this new digital economy, and also breaking down blockchain technology in the most understandable terms possible. And today, I'm going to talk a little bit about uncertainty. You know, I've actually sold some XRP. I never thought I'll do it. I never thought. I mean, I knew I would do it eventually, but I feel like it's more responsible for me to sell XRP or sell some crypto right now. We're in a moment of uncertainty in the markets. Like, there's a lot of activity that's going on, a lot of actions that has been taking place in the financial markets. So I don't like to move with uncertainty. You know, I feel like it's important to make a informed decision with everything you do. So speaking of the uncertainty, it's so much going on, and we're only in month 2 of 2025. Well, today, all right. So we're in the first quarter of the year, the first physical quarter of the year, and there's been like crazy amounts of actions that's been taking place ever since um, Donald Trump's election. So one can argue that the problem with the previous president was that he didn't take enough action. One could argue that his problem was lack of action. But one can also argue that this current problem is aggressive action. Too much action. There's a lot of activity. So everything has a cause and effect, you know? So the moves that's been being made, we're not sure of what could the effect be. 1 and 2 equals 3. That's what I've been saying lately. Like when you're causing, making tariffs on different countries, several countries, and you're speaking for tax hikes and everything. I mean, you're speaking for tax cuts and everything. Um, Everything just seems hyperinflationary, and that's good for the markets. That's good for the market. But we also have the Federal Reserve, and the Federal Reserve just mentioned that the Federal Reserve's initial purpose, well, their objective is to decrease inflation. So we got one side that's talking hyperinflationary, and one side talking to decrease inflation. So, you know, the inflation report just came out not too long ago, and it just indicated that inflation is up. So the effect of that is they're going to work on decreasing the inflation again. So that means higher rates or no rate cuts. But we got the other side talking about, no, we need rate cuts. But the Federal Reserve is going to do what they got to do, you know? And I feel like it's going to be that battle between the two, the rate cuts, no rate cuts, high rates, until something breaks. And then that's when we'll get the rate cuts and Donald Trump will look like a hero again. So what happens during high interest rates or a pause in rate cuts is the markets perform less well. I'm just going to say less well. And during the high interest rates, or if they increase interest rates to lower inflation, then it's going to be harder to pay off credit cards and stuff like that. So, you know, so I feel like it's responsible for you or me, or this might be not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. You might want to take notes. So it's a good idea to take profits. This is a huge increase from what, September or something like that. Some of us been buying some of these cryptos at less than $1, and now they're up to, I've been buying XRP when it was like 50 cents, and now it's up to $3 right now. Been eating long enough now. Stop being greedy. Keep it real, partner. Give it to the needy. So I plan on using this profit and lowering my debt because I don't trust the market right now. So it's more responsible to take the profit to pay off whatever I got to pay off and stuff like that, and kind of reset my financial situation and start investing in myself. When I don't trust the market, when I don't trust investing in the market, then I invest in myself. You feel me? So, however, I'm still bullish. XRP, ISO 222 cryptocurrencies, they're looking to something's gonna pass in March 10th, and yeah, I mean the fundamentals are still there. We're still approaching the times where digital cross-border payments is like a priority. And living overseas, I'm realizing how important that is. So the fundamentals are still there. Worst case scenario, there'll be a huge dip, and it's going to be the best time to buy and collect. And that's my plan anyways. Although I'm selling some crypto, I feel like it's responsible to start to sell and stop feeling so, the whole huddle culture, holding on for dear life. No, take your profit and start making movements, because I can't deal with another long drag out. Like I've been buying XRP before the SEC case, and that was just painful. I can't go back to that. So yeah, this is a good time to sell. Not financial advice, but this is a good time for me to sell, take profits, reset my financial situation, and strategically start buying back into the market. But that's my take on what's going on. It's gonna be some kind of dip, drag out until September, and then tax cuts. Like usually what happens in September. Gotta get the people more confident in the economy because of holiday season and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm bullish long term, short term bearish. But there's no such thing as bearish to me. Currency is current energy. You just flow that into another direction, and compound interest always happens. But with that being said, peace, love, and respect. Take care of yourself. Click the links below. I'm trying to increase my social media channels and stuff like that. I'm trying to do the YouTube thing, and I don't know, get this information out here and be more resourceful out here. You feel me? In the crypto space, trying to make things more simple and easy to understand, because we need it. We need it. This is the time. If you're not investing and making actions with your money, you're losing. You feel me? But take care of yourself. Peace, love, respect. Later.